Hello everyone! Good evening po dyan sa Pinas. Magandang gabi po sa lahat. So this is it. Ito na yung araw na hinintay natin. Ang banding ng dalawang fam.
Yes.
A dual fam concert with
Yes.
Star Magic Family and with Stream Music Family. So before we get started,
Good morning, sir.
on behalf of the Captain of Star Magic Family, Captain Crazy Dirt, hi love.
Okay.
We would like to express
Thank you.
our sincere appreciation to all of you.
Me.
Of course, Star Magic and
Good luck, good
Police
luck.
Services,
Me.
thank you so much, who generously helped us with my partner in crime,
Okay.
Crazy
Welcome.
Dirt,
Okay.
to make this event come together to become a success. We could not have done this event without your cooperation, and of course to our handsome MC. Thank you, Loads. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Yes, yes.
Actually, yung plan talaga namin, love, sa
Astray.
Friday.
And sana rin yan. Calvin.
But since hindi available yung taga-Pinas, at mas mahal namin kayo kaysa sa isa't isa namin, mas mahalaga kayo kaysa sa relasyon namin, char, joke lang. So yun, sinunod namin ang sigaw ng bayan. Sinunod namin yung majority kung
Okay.
anong araw mas
Thank you,
mas
thank you.
available, mas marami yung mag-join sa concert na to.
Yes.
So yun, start na tayo. By the way, hindi ito siya pagalingan. Banding lang to ng dalawang fam. So no need to pressure. All we have to do, enjoy lang, ganun lang. So what are